चैतन्य प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। वृन्दाय तुलसीदेव्यै प्रियायै केशवश्च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्वतै नमो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। जस्वानुभावमखिलश्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपमतितित्रिसतां तमन्धं संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुमपयामि गुरुं मुनीनाम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नितला पृष्ठ ओम विष्णु पाद अष्टोत्तर सत शिष्य भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज। नितला पृष्ठ ओम विष्णु पाद अष्टोत्तर सत श्री भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज। ऑल श्री रूपानुगुरु Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So we will hear Krishna Swarup, how to remember, how to meditate. This is our goal. All sadhaks and siddhas, nit siddhas, everyone meditating to Krishna. So we are sadhak. So very benefit, very good for sadhak, meditate to Krishna. Any type, any caste, anywhere, anyway, if anyone remember to Krishna, meditate to Krishna, they must purify. No only purify, they can purify to another person. Because Sri Krishna's remembers so powerful. Because Krishna's all things, none different from Krishna. Who are relating to Krishna, they are all are same Krishna. This cause Mahaprabhu said, Krishna Nam, Krishna Gun, Krishna Leela Brind, Krishna Sarup Sam Sab Chidanand. Krishna's all names like Kesam, Madhav, Madhusudan, Damodar, Pundrikans, Kamal Nayan, Gopi Chandra, Vrindavan Chandra. Krishna's all qualities, we will hear many Krishna has qualities. 64 are very famous, but more than that, Krishna Gun. And all Krishna's pastimes, Leelas, all are same Krishna. So who can remember this all? He purify. Mahapatak Juktopi Dhyan Nivisam Achyutam Punas Tapasvi Bhakti Pankti Pavan Pavan. In Purana is saying, Mahapatak means very, very fallen person, like dog eater who are eating animals, very nonsense doing, all bad activities doing. But this type people, if 1 second, 1 moment, little time, remember to Krishna. Dhyan nimisam achyutam. Nimis means how much our eye blinking, eyelids. Only that much time who can remember to Krishna. They purify. Bad people. They are saying Mahapatak means who are killing to parents, killing to guru, killing to Brahmins, or many nonsense doing. That means no like you do, but if someone did by mistake, by bad fortune, how they can purify? Who are stealing, who are drinking, who are cheating to friends, too much doing bad activities, who killing to kings, killing to own prabhus, all these type people. If remember to Krishna, meditation, just one moment to remember Krishna, that means you are big tapasvi. All tapas means remember to Krishna. Who are not remembering to Krishna on many things doing, his life is useless. Who have many things but no connection with Krishna, what is that life? Just because one place Ras Khan saying, some are thinking, I am getting so much, I have many things. Ras Khan said, what will do that? Nothing. कहा रस खानी सुख संपत्ति सुमार कहा तन जोगी है लगाए अंग छार को, कहा साधे पंचानल, कहा सोए बीच जल, कहा जीत लाए राज सिंधु आर पार को। जप बार बार व्रत संयम बयार, व्रत तीरथ हजार, अरे बुझत लवार को, कियो नहीं प्यार नहीं सेयो दरबार, चित चाहो न निहारो जो पे नंद के कुमार को। All sadhanas, if no help to darshan for Krishna, seva for Krishna, associate Krishna's things, you have many things but not giving any connection for Krishna, then this all property, all health, wealth, name, fame, what will do? Ras Khan is saying, if some person has so much wealth, whole world his name, all earth his, whole country his, cannot count how much he have. Arab kharab lo dravya hai, uday ast lo raj. If some person have million, billion dollars, rupees, money, and where sun rising or where sun setting, this whole areas he has under, he controlling whole universe, but no remember to Krishna. Then what will do? This cause you can see in Puranas, thousands, crores birds, slokas, they are mentioning how to remember Krishna, how to meditate Krishna. On big kings, big devotees, big great personality, they rely on their last own opinion, own understanding, telling, I got many things, but I'm not satisfied. But when I hearing about Krishna, chanting Krishna's name, associating Krishna devotees, then really satisfied or more thirsty coming. Like Sonakadi rishis, they saying to Sud Goswami, we many things done, we did many things, but could not satisfy. But now when hearing from your mouth Krishna's all Naam, Gun, Roop, Lila, Kathas, we want more and more and more. Because these worldly things, some limit is no like, fed up. But Krishna thinks not like that. As much you get, that much you like. That much you want more and more and more. This because Sonakadi Rishi said, we satisfy for everything, but we not satisfied by Krishna Katha. Vayam natu vitripyama uttama shloka vikrame jat srinavatam rasagyanam swadu swadu pade pade. We not satisfied. Because Krishna ras, who feel, who taste, they every moment feel new taste. Krishna Katha always, Krishna's Naam, Gun, Roop, Leelas, always new, fresh and fresh and fresh. This because Parikshit Maharaj also said to Sukdev Goswami, I could not satisfy from your lotus mouth what nectar dropping, I like drink more and more. Because this nectar giving so much strength, so much energy, so much happiness, so much pleasure. I feel so fresh. I no fear this death because I am taking special medicine. So this death is like one type of disease, this changing to body. But what medicine I'm taking, I'm making my soul, my Sarupa so healthy. So whose Sarupa is very healthy, whose service is very healthy, they no care to material thing what destroying. Because this must destroy. What we have, this will destroy. We too much attached to our body. Some person very good eyes, good nose, good ears, good teeth, good face, too much like make more good and good. But this everything destroy. So don't attach to that. If you make your sarupas more strong, more beautiful, more good, more nice. But that only we can by Harikathas. Or that beauties, that sarupas things, one sarupa can taste to another sarupas. This cause in Purana said, Ataiva Krishna namadi na bhavet grahya indriya. Seva unmukho jiva ado swameva aspurat ada. Krishna's Naam, Gun, Roop, Lila, Kathas cannot touch by material senses. When we like to serve, on service coming by Sarupa, when Jiva's own Sarupa's pride, I am servant of Krishna, I am friend of Krishna, I love to Krishna, I am Dasi of Krishna, I am Sakhi of Krishna, I am parents of Krishna. When this type transcendental pride coming, or that pride, that mood, when you touch to Krishna, Naam, Gun, Roop, Lila, Kathas, then you can touch, otherwise cannot. This cause, this is Krishna's Naam, Gun, Roop, Lila, Kathas are not material. They are same Krishna. Krishna is Sarup Sam Sab Chidanand. For one transcendental things, how we can touch? We have to come that transcendental level. Have to our bhav, mood increase. This because Mahaprabhu said to Raghunath, Bhal na khaive or bhal na pairive. Amani manad hai Krishna naam sada lave. Braje Radha Krishna seva मानस करिवे. ग्राम कथा न सुने में ग्राम वार्ता न कहिवे. भाल न खाइवे और भाल न परी. अमानी मानद है कृष्ण नाम सदा लवे. ब्रजे राधा कृष्ण सेवा मानस. Don't hear material kathas. Don't absorb to material things, because you absorb, then you become more material. We are already material. On more thing material, then more become material. Material means it become like a stone, it become like iron, it become like wood, it become like dry, because material thing have no juice. Material means material. You know, material means dry. But transcendental is not dry. Krishna is not dry. Krishna is ras. Rasam hevaya labdva anandi bhavati. Raso vaisaha. In Upanishad saying Krishna is the ras. And who getting that ras, that taste, they also getting so bliss, so pleasure. So this ras, Chinmay ras, transcendental ras. So our Sarup also transcendental. We forget that this could be like the material thing. Krishna bole say jiv anadir bahirmukh atava maya tarde sansara adi. We are long time, big habit, big practice doing for maya. This could be becomes like stone, like wood. But when we touch to Krishna, then this becomes just ras. Because bhav, mood are not dry thing. This that called ras, basal ras, das ras, sak ras, madhur ras. Krishna also ras, or devotees also ras. Both side drinking each other. Ras drink each ras. This transcendental things. Ras cannot drink to ras. One should be drunkard or one should be ras, but they are both side ras, or both are drinking. Ras drink to ras. Because transcendental things, this cannot understand by material way. Because Krishna's Sarupas and devotees Sarupas, they all in senses, doing all senses activities. Angani jasa sakalindriya vritti manti passanti panti kalayanti chiram jaganti. Anand chinu ujjvala sad vigrahasya govinda madi purusam tamaham bhajami. Krishna's all senses, devotees all senses are transcendental. Chinmay, Anand Chinmay sad ujjvala vigrahasya. All. So they that way realize. Krishna is Sarup Sam Sab Chidanand. So Krishna's all things transcendental, and who connect to that transcendental, they also become transcendental. Think to transcendental, then become Tadatma. If any iron who is very cool, but that iron put in fire, then it's same fire. What fire can do, iron same thing can do. So if our mind, our thought, our intelligence, our pride means I am servant of Krishna, I am mother of Krishna, father of Krishna, any relation, this pride, ahankar. This is the jiva's real pride. Then become Sachidanand, transcendental. So we will hear this all kathas, Krishna Sarup meditation. Many words for that. I think in Bhagavatams, mostly slokas, or I think all Bhagavatams, they are mentioning about Krishna's Sarup. Anvay, Vyatirek, somewhere directly, somewhere indirectly, but indicating to Krishna. अन्वय व्यक्तिरेक्त भावे चैतन्य चरितमृत वर्ड के वेदेर प्रतिज्ञा केवल कहे कृष्ण के मुख गुण वृत्ति की व अन्वय व्यतिरेके वेदेर प्रतिज्ञा केवल कहे कृष्ण के. कविराज गोस्वामी is one place telling directly, indirectly, मुख्य वृत्ति and गौण वृत्ति, anyway all Shastras, Vedas, Puranas, Upanishad, Ramayans, Mahabharat, everywhere they indicating for Krishna, telling for Krishna. Somewhere directly telling about Krishna, somewhere indirectly. If somewhere Shastra saying about Ram, Nirsing, Vaman, Matsya, Kurma, Bara, this also telling for Krishna. Because all came from Krishna, so they are not separate from Krishna. They also Krishna Sarup. Krishna's many way, no Kesav, Dhirta, Das Vidha Rupa, Jai Jagadish Hari. Krishna taking many Sarupas. So this will we also think, but we are Brajvasi. So Brajvasi like direct meditate to Krishna. How look Krishna? How is Krishna's sweetness? This all thing they meditate day and night. This is the Brajvasi's food. They eating diet, they drinking diet. Or they cannot remember when is day, when is night. They're too much intoxicated by Krishna's sorrow. They're thinking that Madhurja, that ras. So meditation of Krishna's many slokas. Karna Mil in Gopi Geet, Jugal Geet, Pranay Geet, Brahmar Geet, and many places. If see this whole world, whole slokas, there you can see just meditating to Krishna. Brahma Stutis, when Krishna going to Mathuras, there many slokas are Mathuras ladies are telling this full meditation of Krishna, full mentioning of Krishna. So this all word we will one by one discuss because it's like one oceans. But today just one sloka touching how is Krishna's Swarup. Barha Pida Viramam Mirgamad Tilakam Kundala Kranta Gandam Kanjancham Kambu Kantam Smita Mukham Swadhre Nastavenum Syamam Santam Tribhangam Ravikar Vasnam Bhusitam Cha Vaijantya Bande Vrindavanastham Juvati Satvritam Brahma Gopal Vesam. Here one main thing saying Brahma, how his Sarupas? Saying Brahma Gopal Vesam. Brahma Sarupas, cowherd boy. Many Mayavadis, Karmis, Asuric who are demon, this type people thinks Krishna has no Sarup. Krishna has no form. Krishna is Nirakar. Krishna is just light. But no. This is one side of Krishna. It's not just Jyoti, it's not just light. He is not just Paramatma, just peaceful, Santakarang Bhujagasainam. He is more than that. You have to arrive, reach to that. So here very clearly saying Brahma Sarupas, Vesas, his form is cowherd boy, Brahma Gopala Vesam. Mayavadis are thinking this cowherd boy and Krishna's all Sarupas, Ram, Nirsing, Vaman, they are material. When Brahma covered by Maya, then he also becoming Jiva. So all are Brahma. And when Brahma's captured by Maya, then he becomes Jiva. But actually Shastra saying Brahmas no one can capture, no one can defeat, no one can hide, no one can push because it's very powerful. So how you can capture by Maya? How you can go under this Rajogun, Tamogun, even Sattvagun? Because Bhagavan Sarupa is saying Visuddha Sattvam Tavadhama Santam Tapo Mayam Dhvas Rajastamaskam Maya mayo ayam gun sampravaho na vidyate te grahananubandha. Indra is saying, your Sarup is Sachidanand, Visuddh Sattvas. Your Sarup is no Rajogun, no Tamogun, even no Sattvas, Visuddh Sattva, fully transcendent. Your Sarup, your Dham, your everything's very peaceful, very beautiful, very nice. That is Tapomay, your old Sarup is Sachidanand. So how he can capture by that? So this is not proper Siddhantas. Proper Siddhantas, Bhagavan is, Brahma is cowherd boy. That is his real Swarupas. This was Brahma, who is great personality of this universe, topmost person. And when so to Krishna, then he say, I am very fortunate. Just I am looking this. But when my fortune come, I can play with this Krishna. How is Brajvasi boys are playing? Aho bhagyam, Nanda Gopa Brajokasam, Janamitram Paramanandam Purnam Brahma Sanatan. Aho bhagyam. Again repeating. They are so fortunate. Who are all these Brajvasis? All those Brajvasis. Nanda Gopa Brajokasam, who is staying Nanda Baba's Brajas in Gokul, in Braja Mandal. Because they have direct relation with Krishna. They are relative of Krishna. They thinking Krishna is my friend. And Krishna also that way behaving. Yes, you are my friend. This because they know too much giving any honor to Krishna. Like one friend, another friend, anything do, then another friend just laughing. What you did more? How much you can do? I can do double. This type Brajvasis, Braj Gopas, always competition with Krishna. And Krishna no angry, no disturb. He no want extra honor because he know I am friend. So friends just give one level, no more than that. And that was very happy. Look, his mouth things taking forcefully and eating, no feeling any agitation, no feeling any disrespect. If some more own contentment thing give, then if you are great person, like Guru position, then he become very angry. What is thing about me? And Krishna is not a small position. Krishna Bande Jagat Gurum. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kansa Chanur Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Bande Jagat Guru. He is the merciful deity of whole over world. But Brajvasi, how behaves? Jasoda mother, how behave? That Guru's putting on lap, giving on milk. And that time Krishna's not more Guru, mother's becoming Krishna's Guru. And mother teaching to everything Krishna's. How to walk, how to eat, how to talk, how to behave. This one. जाके बंक दृष्टि दर्पत महेश ताको दीर्घ बाढ़वे को कजरा लगावत है धन नंद रानी बड़े भागिन जसोदा तू जगत को पाले ताही गोद में खिलावत. Who are protecting whole world, but Jasoda mother protecting to that Krishna. So how is Brajvasis? That's Brahma, how behave to them. Janmitram Paramanandam Purnam Brahma Sanatan. So we meditate to this all Krishna's Sarup. How Krishna? So Krishna's Badha Pidabhiramam. He is wearing peacock feather. By peacock making turban, crown. Brajvasis, Brajgopis, this peacock many way they making. Sometimes they make turban types, sometimes alone peacock, sometimes make crown, and many styles. That is stylish crown Krishna putting on head. No, always same type, different type. So Krishna's always look new and new and new. Baraha Pidabhiramam is turban mukuts wearing peacocks. This is the Krishna's symbol. How we can recognize this is Krishna? That is one big symbol whose head is peacock feather, that is Krishna. Any Sarupa's head is not peacock feathers, only Krishna's. This is very easy to recognize who is Krishna. You see peacock feather, that means Krishna. Radharan is saying, whose hand is not flute, whose hand is not peacock feather, and who is not with cow, surrounding by cow. This type personality, this type person, I cannot counting like one grass. So Radhika, son all Brajvasi, Braj Gopis, too much love to Krishna. Who's Krishna? Who is wearing peacock feather? Whose hand is flute? Who is surrounding by gopi, cows? Here many meditation telling gopi sanghavritam, govindam kalvenu badan param divyang bhusam bhaje. I remember to that Krishna. Baraha pidabhiramam mirgamada tilakam. Who is putting kasturi tilak? Kasturi means musk. Mirgamada tilakam. So fragrance. This Mirgas Kasturi coming from Mirgas novel, Navis Kasturi Tilakam. One also meditation coming Kasturi Tilakam Lalat Patale, Bachastale Kaustubam, Na Sagre Baramoktikam Karatale, Venu Kare Kankan. Sarvange Harichandanam Sulilatam, Kanthe Chamuktavali, Gopa Stri Parivestito Vijayate Gopala Chudam. फूलेंदीवर कांति मिंदु वदनम बरहावतं सप्रियम सिविवत मुदार कौस्तुभधरम पीतांबरम सुंदरम गोपीनामोत्पलांदम कास्ति स्वम वस्तु प्रसुस्तु वेणुनाद लहरी निर्वाण निर्व्याकुलम सरस्त सरस्त निवि बिलसत गोपी सहस्रावृतम हस्ता न्यस्ता अपवर्गम अखिल उदारम किशोराकृति. Many Krishna Swarups meditation slokas. We will discuss one by one. So Baraha Pidabhiramam Mirgamada Tilakam, us Kasturi Tilak, Kundala Kranta Gandam. Krishna's both cheeks cover or capture by kundal, earring. When earring is moving, then on Kapolas, too much giving to beauties. Tasya Arvind Nayanas Jasya Ananam Makar Kundal Charu Karna Bhrajat Kapol. Bhagavatam saying. Kundals dancing on Kapol. Because this is very flat, very big field. You like to dance, then area needs some bigger, no? And this Krishna's cheek is very puffy, very nice, but very careful. You dance there, also slippery, can drop. But Kundal have so much practice. Their dancing one never dropping. Every day dance, non-stop dance. So this makes Krishna's beauty more beauty. Krishna's cheek is so beautiful. Badar Pandu Mridu Gandam Kanak Kundal Lachmaya. Gopi are saying Krishna's blue cheek when golden ring dancing, golden earring dancing, then that becoming yellow. Because Krishna's cheek is like mirror type, so shining. And this rings colors gold, so this gold go to there, then no more blue. That blue also look yellow. Badar Pandu Gandam, Badar Pandu Mridu Gandam. Gopi sings. Krishna's cheek looks so beautiful like plum. When plums go to ripe, then becoming yellow before. How yellow plum, this type Krishna's cheek. So beautiful. Kanakundal Lachmaya means this earring, gold earring, making Krishna's cheek so beautiful, giving so opulence, so beauties. And gopis, when looking, then just looking. Eyes cannot move from there. So Kundala Kranta Gandam. Kanjancham. Kanj Acham. Krishna's eyes like lotus. What can tell? Nothing to this world, any example, no. What can say how look Krishna? Or if no tell something, then how can conception, how can understand? How Krishna's, how his eyes? Then saying his eyes like lotus. Which type lotus? Gopi saying Saraduda Saye Sadhu Jata Sat. Sar Sijodara Sri Musadirsa. Surat Nath Te Asulk Dasika Barad Nignato Neha Kimbada. Saradudasaye sadhu jat sat. In autumn season, when ponds water so crystal, so clean, no muddy, because autumn season, ponds water becoming so clear. Or that clean, clear water, when lotus bloom, how, which type lotus? Saying reddish lotus. When opening on inside that beauty, Saradudasaya Sadhu Jata Sat Sar Sijodara Sri Musadirsa. So red. Krishna's also eyes red. Means that lotus is told to that lotus beauty and become very beautiful. If some person very poor, or if some rich person place go on some stall, then he also become rich. So saying Krishna's eyes, why become so beautiful, so rich? Because he stole lotus, lotus beauty. Because Krishna is stealing. Krishna has so much mood, so much bhav, so much leelas. How? Because he's stealing from devotees. Devotees teaching him what is roop, what is gun, what is leelas. And he collecting. Otherwise, if devotees not give him, then he's just Brahma. This who no associate to devotees, who have no in life sadhu sangha, they're just thinking Krishna means Brahm, Brahm means just light. But Brahm, when cow had boy, that form, you realize only mercy of Brajavasis. Because Brajavasis is no, Krishna is the Brajavasis property. If Brajavasi give us, then we can get. This we are saying, no, Krishna se tomar Krishna dite paro tomar sakyas. All Brajavasi are Mahavaishnavas. Krishna is his property. So they can give. Rup, Sanatan, our Gurudevs, all are Brajavasi. They can give to Krishna. So Krishna se tomar Krishna dite paro tomar sakyas. Ami to Kangal Krishna Krishna Bali Dhai Tab Pachu. So devotees are not giving just as Krishna, also devotees giving to Krishna. Krishna is saying, I am complete, Atmaram Atmakam, but still he not satisfied by that. So when devotees giving on some mood, some bhav, some ras, then he become very beautiful, very nice, very good. So his lotus also bhakt of Krishna, because his birth in Brajas, he have so much mood and bhav, getting from Brajas, Braja Gopis, or that thing Krishna stole. So Krishna's eyes become very beautiful because he stole to that lotus beauty. Gopi also saying, yes, we saw you are not that much beautiful, but he stole that lotus beauty. Saraduda says, sadhu jata sat sarsijodara sri musadrisa. Your eyes, very powerful. Is everything stealing? This is no outside. If lotus beauty stealing is nothing, he go anywhere, even inside heart. Our heart lotus also stealing. Our mind lotus flower, our thought lotus, our pride lotus. This all flower is stole. If one time who can see your eyes, by eyes is getting everything, taking everything, nothing left for him. So Krishna is very big thief, Bhisan Chor. In Chauragra Ganyam saying, they could not find this type Bhisan Chor. Chor just stealing, thief just stealing some things, just some outside property. Thief cannot steal our mind, heart, thought, our pride, our patience. Thief cannot steal. He can money, clothes, some our shoes, our something can steal, but stole. But this subtle thing, how can stole? But Krishna's everything is stealing. This he become very, very rich. We remember to died Krishna. So Gopi remembering, Brajavasi remembering, died Krishna. Barha Pidabhiramam Mrigamad Tilakam Kundala Kranta Gandam Kanjancham, whose eyes is so beautiful like lotus. Kambu Kantham, Krishna's neck looks like consul, Sank, Kambu Kant. Like you can see consul, no? In up or down, like no. Save, how is save? Krishna's neck is that shape. There's 3 lines. So beautiful. Rekhanga Kambu Kantha, Sthita Garba Damodaram Bhakti Vata. In Damodar Stakam, we can see Krishna's neck how look. Kambu Kantham, Kanjancham Kambu Kantham. So beautiful Krishna's neck. Or when Radhika's own hand putting Krishna's neck, then how beautiful look. Bama Bahu Krita Bama Kapolo. अच्छन बताम न फल मिदम विदाम सख्या पशुननु विवेश चतुर्वयस्य वक्त्रम वर्जसुतयो रनु वेनु जुष्टम जैरवा निपीतम अनुरक्त कटाक्ष मोचम. Radha Madhavan together standing on each other's shoulder, neck, putting each other hand like lightning and cloud. This type looks beautiful. So Kanjancham Kambu Kantham Kanjancham Kambu Kantham Smita Mukham Baraha Pidabhiramam Mrigamadatilakam Kunala Kranta Gandam Kanjancham Kambu Kantham Smita Mukham Swadhre Nastavenu Smita Mukh. Krishna's eyes beautiful, cheek beautiful, full dancing rings making more beautiful, and neck is very beautiful. Or that part, if Krishna smile, then he distributing more beauty to everyone. When Krishna smile, then eyes also smile, cheek also smile, neck also smile, everyone becoming very happy. So Smita Mukham, who remember that Krishna's smiling face, this life no more pain, no more sad, no more burning, all making cool. Kapil Dev is saying to Mother Devhuti, Hasam Harir Avanata, Akhil Loka Tibra, शोकाश्रु विशोषणम अत्त उदारम सम्मोहनाय रचितम निज मायस्य भ्रूमंडलम मुनिकृते मकर ध्वजस्य हासम हरेर अवनता अखिल लोक तीव्र. Krishna's smile, whole world as much can sad, pain, suffer. That can be like ocean, ocean of sad, oceans of pain, oceans of disturbance. But this all oceans, Krishna's smile, just one moment, 1 second can drink, like Agastya Muni. Agastya Muni drinking whole oceans. One rishis can do, on Krishna's Maharishi, Yogeshwar. So his smile, whole world's all pain drinking like one drop. Means no more pain, no more suffer, no more tension, no more disturbance. Who can see Krishna's smiling face? All problem go. He start also smiling, laughing. So Smita Subhaga Mukham, Krishna's face is so beautiful. Mukh. So smiling one surprise, astonish, or more astonish, this smiling face when Krishna putting flute. Smita Subhaga Mukham Swadhare Nyasta Venum. When lips putting Venu, that Venus, this nectar giving, saying smiling just face to face, but flute going to more distance, door to door, horse to horse, everywhere. Even this flute sound going to Swarga, Satlok, and Vaikunthas, everywhere going. And who can hear this? They no more staying there, running behind Krishna. Swadhre Nyastavenu. Rundan Ambu Virtascha Chamatkirti Kurban Muhustumburam Dhyanan Antarayan Sanandan Mukhan Vismapayan Vedasam Asukya Bali Bhi Balim Chatulayan Bhogindra Ma Ghurnayan Bhindan Anda Kataha Bhitam Bhito Babram Bansi Dhvani. Krishna's flute sound crossing to this whole universe. Skies, cloud, when hearing, they cannot move, starting to dropping. All Gandharvas who are very famous to singing, they also becoming surprised, astonished. Brahma, Shiv, Narad, they are good artists, they are famous singer. But when they hearing Krishna's flute sound, they also astonished. Anantas Bhagavan says, who are holding this universe, his head is spinning. He is going intoxicated. Bhogindra Ma Ghundayan, Bhindan Rundan Amba Bhirta Chamatkirti Muhurtumaram Dhyanan Antarayan Sanandan Mukhan Vismapayan Vedasam. For Kumaras, they cannot more do meditation. They like to hearing that flute sound because it's more tasty. And Brahmas becoming surprised. Dhyanan Antarayan Sananda Mukhan Vismapayan Vedasam. Asukya Bali Balim. Bali Maharaj, too much eager, too much curiosities. From where this sound coming? Who is playing this? How you can see that person? So it cannot stay more in Sutal Lok. Anant Bhagavan also so much disturbed. What is this? Where coming? I like to see. His also head is spinning. Asukya Balim Chatuna Bhogindra Ma Ghirunayan. Bhindan Anda Kataha Bhitam Bhito. This Vansi Dhvani is also crossing to Brahman. Sometime going to Lakshmi's ear. Lakshmi also run away from there or came to Belvan. This power of Krishna's. And when she came on looking to this all Ras Leelas, too much greedy. Hearing this also, Narad and some rishis telling about Krishna, This way Lakshmi like to Krishna. When they describing this all beauty of Krishna, Lakshmi also. If Lakshmi, then who left? If Lakshmi like to Krishna, then everyone can understand, all like. This gopis are saying, who know like Krishna this Swarupa? Because for Krishna this world nothing difficult, all thing easy. Devi bhuvi rasayam ka striyasta durapa कपट रुचि हास भू भृंजवस्य जास्यु चरण रज उपासते जस भूतिर वयम का ही अपिबत कृपन पच्च उत्तम श्लोक शब्द. In sky, in earth, in dawn planets, atal bital sutal talatal rasatal patal, everyone who can hear Krishna, this beauty, this flute sound, all like to Krishna. So swadre nasta venum, Krishna's lips is Venu. Sometimes devotees, great personality who rely that Venu's power, they're saying, don't hear Krishna this flute. Otherwise cannot stay in family, cannot stay in home. Because Krishna's flute is one bad, very dangerous, or if hearing go to close on his smiling face, then how can return? Rupa Goswami also saying, Mahajat, oh my devotees who like to Krishna, okay, distantly like, not so much problem, but don't come in Vrindavan. Don't go too close to him. Mahajata panthapati bhimaratya. Smerang has parichitam sachi vistna drishti. Asmerang has his smile and his eye, this brew like bow. If this see, then he cannot return home. Or his flute, swadhre nasta venum, adhare murliti tar, anarthare muladhar. So this is Krishna's Swarup. Who remember that Krishna Swarup, then no more staying at home, no stay more in attachment, no stay in more maya. Nothing. They always stay with Krishna. Gopi are saying, when I saw to Krishna this face, when I hearing Krishna's flute, I look Krishna these all qualities, then mind always moving behind Krishna. No more shame, no more feeling no who, what, tell. All patience, shame, name, fame, everything destroy. Any price we can get Krishna's this all things, be ready for that. So that greed, they are behind moving to Krishna and becoming intoxicated. जा दीनते देखो नंद नंदन कानी तजी घर बंधन छूटो चारु बिलोकन कियो सुमार समार गयो मन श्याम ने लूटो सागर को जो सलीला धावे न रोकी रहे कुल के पुल टूटो मत भयो मन संग फिरे रस खान स्वरूप सुधा रस घूटो. Krishna Swarupas, that is like nectar, or that nectar who drink, they become intoxicated. Who look these all things, they cannot stay more any bondage. They run away. They leave everything. Gopi are saying, when we saw Krishna, all shame, all prestige destroy. We no care to that who what tell, but we like one time see to Krishna. One time that we like to drink our ice, what call, glass, full in ice glass and drink like this. Or you drink, then what can happen? You get intoxicated, 1 glass, then 2 glass, then 4 glass, then sometimes drunkard day or night like to drink. And Krishna's beauty make whole world like that. Then when day and night drink and intoxicated, then what remember? Drunkard just on bed, sleeping on don't know anything. You ask what you want, saying 1 glass more. So this way they drink and forget everything. Gopi are saying, when we saw Krishna's, we lose everything, home, family, everything. जा दिन ते देखो नंद नंदन, कानी तजे घर बंधन छूटो, चारु बिलोचन कियो सुमार, समार गयो मन श्याम ने लूटो. When one time I saw Krishna, also Krishna saw us, then we cannot own self, hold. Krishna stole everything, my heart, mind, everything. So now become intoxicated, or again like to see that Krishna Sarupas. Like Mahaprabhu, when this all remembering, he becoming intoxicated like Radhika Samu. Kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendra Nandan. Brajendra Nandan bina phate morabu. Keva sunai wo sakim. Ke sune mor dukh, Brajendra Nandan bina phate morabu. Is becoming intoxicated, mad. Where go, where can get this Nandan? Who can hear my pain, sad, suffer? Without Krishna darshan, our heart is breaking. Be very poor, very nothing. Sri Krishna Rupa Adini Sevanam Bina, Berthani Indriyani Alam me, पाषाण शुष्क ईंधन भार कान न हो विभ्रम विवाह कान तानी कथम हतत्रप. Mahaprabhu saying, without Krishna's Nam, Gun, Roop, Lilas, Darshan, hearing, associating, what these all senses? These eyes, nose, mouth, ear, tongue, if they are not touched to Krishna, then they all are like burden. This hand, feet, is like wood. We are carrying unnecessary. Why am carrying these all things? Teneva ache pran, ki sukh lagya Narottam Das kene na gelo man. All are lamenting, crying. So we will more hear these all kathas, meditate on Krishna Sarup. So Barha Pida Bhiramam Mrigamad Tilakam Kundala Kranta Gandam Kanjancham Kambu Kantam Smitham Mukham Swadhre Nyasta Venum Syamam. Krishna, how it looks? Syam. Sandra Payoda Saubhagam. Very thick cloud, rainy cloud. So beautiful. And Radhika when coming next to Krishna, then Krishna becoming more beautiful. Or that Sarupas more attractive. Tatrati Susubhe Tavir Bhagwan Devaki Sutta Madhye Mani Nam Haiman Nam Mahamarkato Jata. Gopis assemblies with Gopis, Radhika's, Krishna's more beautiful. So Syamam, Sant, Krishna is very peaceful. Sant, one Swarupa is Krishna, Syamam Santam. Means any situation, Krishna not disturbed. Mahabharata going, Krishna is very peace, is speaking Bhagavad Gita. Any asuras coming, maybe friends and another one, so much fear, so much scare, but Krishna very smiling because he know like babies when play with toy, he no fear. Like if maybe toy made toys lion or elephant or any type, like children how play with toy, no scare, no fear. Krishna same way, any asura, anyone coming thinking this is my playing instrument. So all situation is very peace. Any type. Krishna not disturbed. So Syamam Santam, Tribhangam. Sant and Tribhang. It's not a state stand up. Krishna's any picture you cannot find is state. State means not Krishna. Krishna means crooked. So at least 3 places bend. Somewhere saying 7 places bend. Whole bodies, whole bend. So look more beautiful. Tribhangam, Ravikar Varsnam. Pitambars who were bearing Pitambar. Bhusitam cha Vaijantya. His neck is Vajanti Malas, and whole bodies by ornament decorated, many flowers things. Bande Vrindavanastham. I do pranam that Krishna who is staying in Vrindavan. Never leave Vrindavan. Vrindavanam paritajya pad mekam na gacchati. This cause Rai Raman Samvad Mahaprabhu Rai Raman saying, our main remembering place is Vrindavan. Our dhyan is Vrindavan. Because if come Vrindavan, then Vrindavan in scenery, Krishna must in middle. This is the goal. Because Vrindavan dhyan on Krishna not come, how possible? So without Vrindavan, not Krishna. And Krishna is the center of Vrindavan. He is the main point, main aim of Vrindavan. So he is staying in Vrindavan in Jogpit, no? Divyad Vrindaranya Kalpadrumada Sri Madaratnagar Singhasanasto Sri Sri Radha Sri Govinda Devo Prestha Livi Sevya Mano Smaram. How remember Krishna this? Is more katha. Next class we will hear. Now over time. Bhusitam cha vajant bande Vrindavanastham juvati satvritam Brahma Gopala Vesam. Because in Vrindavan surrounding many gopis. Srasta gopi, Vadvilasat, gopi sastrabritam. That Krishna Sarup we meditate. If meditate, then all unearth go. We get our Sarupas Siddhis, we get our Sevas, everything will get. This koi Mahapurush in life can see is when he got to sannyas and before sannyas, always thinking about Krishna. And in Gambhira, just meditating Krishna Sarup. So much. Sarup Damodar Rai Raman is speaking about Krishna. Sometimes Karna Amirta, Geet Govinda, Chandi Das, all these pads, slokas. And in that slokas, Mahapurush absorb and meditate to that Krishna. So what is no Mahaprabhu's Rup Sanatan in Parampara, no? Because Mahaprabhu this meditation gave to them, or that meditation came through them, through Gurudevs. So how we can meditate, we realize this thing we just reciting like parrot. We also can meditate Krishna like that, like them. They give us power and mercy. If we can do like that, then no more material world, no more suffer, no more disturbance, no more sickness, no more any problem. All dissolve because we come Sarup level. On Sarup level, no disturbance. Disturb because we are thinking this body I am. But that body I am. Which body can serve Krishna? That's Sarupas. Krishna Smaran Janan Chasyam Presthang Nij Samihitam Tatat Katharatas Chaso Purjat Vasam Brajesada. Rup Goswami saying Krishna Smaranam Janan Chasya Prestham Nij Samihitam. This next time we will hear how Krishna to remember. How remember to Krishna? On mood and stay in Braja. If cannot bodily, then mindly stay Braja. Because in no Braja mind, then how can remember Krishna? If mind in Vrindavan, then anywhere you move, you see everywhere Krishna. Gopi are saying, where not Krishna? Jit dekho tit syam mai hai. Everywhere Krishna. In Jamuna, in Govardhan, in here, there, Krishna. Jit dekho tit syam mai hai. Syam ban ghan Jamuna syama, syam gagan ghata chai hai. सब रंगन में श्याम भरो है लोग कहते हैं बात नहीं है मैं बौरी की लोगन ही की श्याम पुतरिया बदल गई है चंद्र सार रवि सार श्याम दिखत है अखिल छवि सब श्याममयी है जित देखो तित श्याममयी Vrindavan everywhere gopis looking Krishna meditating everywhere Krishna Sarup front back left right up down everywhere just looking Krishna This Radharani is saying, one place Rupa Goswami is saying, oh Krishna, you everywhere stay. In my heart, my mind, outside, inside, backside, right side, left side, where it not. Sundar tang mama mandire basasi, tatha tatha runtasi balitam jatha jatha chakita palai. Where I go, I just see you. So when meditating or this type situation come, then we will capture by Krishna. Or if Krishna capture to us, then who can capture? Then finish everything. We like that. This Krishna Nam Gun Rup Lila Kathas capture to us. Then no one can capture. If this thing not capture, then Maya will capture. So we capture by this or become more strong. बोलो सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय, श्री गुरुदेव की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख। नैना कजरा लेने केस घुंगर वाले ने, नैना कजरा ने केस मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे। प्रेम की ज्वाला सखी कैसे समझाए, रात न निंदिया चैन आए। प्रेम की ज्वाला सखी कैसे समझाए, रात नहीं निंदिया दिन चैन। गौए चराते नंदुलारे ने, गौए चराते नंदुलारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने। धैर्य लूट गया बंसी वारे ने, धैर्य लूट गया बंसी वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख। पीड़ा कालकूट से बढ़कर होती, रोती राधिका है पुकारती। हे देव हे दैत हे भुवन का बंधो, हे कृष्ण हे चपल हे करुणै का सिंधो। हे नाथ हे नमन हे नयनाभिराम, आहा कदानुभवितासि पदम दिशोर में। अमुन्य धन्यानि दिनास्तराणि, हरे त्वदालोकनम अंतरेण। अनाथ बंधो करुणैक सिंधो, हा हंत कथम नया। विष फैला दिया नागकारे ने, विष फैला दिया नागकारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर। मृत्यु मृत्यु के बाद सखी मृत्यु के बाद सखी निर्देश निभाना, तमाल से बालता बांध देना। प्रेम समझा नहीं ब्रज के ग्वारे ने, प्रेम समझा नहीं ब्रज के ग्वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख। राधा प्रांधन राधा जीवन, पुकारे अंजन हे राधा रमन। राधा प्रांधन राधा जीवन, पुकारे अंजन हे राधा। विषहर लिया कौस्तुबारे ने, विषहर लिया कौस्तुबारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने। नैना कजरा लेने बाल घुंगर वाले ने, नैना कजरा लेने बाल, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने, मन मोह लिया मोर पंख वारे ने। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम। Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Radhe. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol. Shri Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari.